YouTube. I want to make a video for you guys regarding Bitcoin and seeing what's going on. These are solely my own opinions, nobody else's. 100% TA based on my own TA. All right, let's go get to it. As you can see, Bitcoin today took a big dip July 30th, 2018. Um, but I do see a little bit of hope, actually. From what I see from my Elliott wave count, which I want to go over real quick. And this is going to be a quick video, just so you guys can know. I do have a Telegram channel if you guys want to check it out. I'm always on there, always helping out, answer your questions if you guys need any help. Alright, so real quick, what I want to go over is with an Elliott wave, there's usually 5 waves that don't overlap each other, as you can see. Uh, we're now on the fifth wave correction, which is followed by a ABCDE wave, which I'm going to point out real quick. Okay, that was poorly drawn. First of all, I want to draw some resistance on it, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about a little bit better. Okay, this is going to be the C wave and the E wave. Okay, now we're going to measure the move from the swing low to the swing high. Okay. Now, as you can clearly see, there's 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Followed by a ABCD wave correction. In my opinion, this is what it's forming at the moment. We got an A, B, C. Okay. So right now a C wave is about to hit, and the C wave is gonna hit in this range right here, which I'll show in the this range right here. Okay. So what we're gonna see is we're gonna see a bit of hope in the next few days, possibly a week. All right, this is gonna be a good time to buy. Everybody thinks Bitcoin's done. We're done with Bitcoin. We're not quite done with Bitcoin yet. Uh, a few things that were a little bit evident on the RSI. You know, even looking back at this, anybody that was going long here was I didn't quite understand why not. I didn't quite understand why they were going quite long. As you can see, we can see a head and shoulders on RSI, um, which is a very bearish pattern, which is followed by 3 peaks, a neckline, usually signifying support. Once the neckline is broken, you see a big crash. Okay, so that's just a little bit obvious on the RSI. I mean, the RSI is pretty useful. Okay, what I'm trying to say is Bitcoin can hit another swing up, but we're gonna top out at around 8,000. We're not gonna break out, in my opinion, yet, quite yet. Uh, there's still gonna be a bit of consolidation left going on. If we turn on the Ichimoku cloud, you can see we're still in a bit of resistance. Okay, we've hit a little bit of resistance, but that's okay. It's not a problem. If you look at the 4 hour, you can see a bit of support coming up right here. This green identifies support. What we want is, we usually want this lagging indicator to pierce through the cloud and to react to the price right here. Okay, that's what we really want. We want to kind of scoop under and go over. But it's a little bit too advanced. I'm not going to talk about it too much. But anyways, for my forecasts are for being too short, not really detailed. I just want to make it simple and easy for you guys. I want you guys to understand that there is waves when it comes to Bitcoin. It's not random. It's not totally random as you're thought to believe, because we keep losing, and the person that taught you Bitcoin lost everything because they have absolutely no knowledge when it comes to market psychology. Okay. As you can evidently see, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, just go over back a few things, a few things when I went long and why I went long here. Okay. Check out a few things here. Why did I go long here? I went long here because we had a bullish confirmation with a bullish divergence. Uh, as you can see, we had a bullish divergence at the bottom, which is an indication of a uh, bull market, I guess you could say. Now, this would have been a good time to go long, even with the Ichimoku cloud. Um, Looking at the Ichimoku cloud, it was telling us a lot of things right here. It was telling us that the a breakout was about to occur. As you can see, the lines were about to pierce with the cloud, which is quite obvious. We were in a bull trend. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail, but there is ways of spotting out breakouts when it comes to Bitcoin. Okay. So let's just go over real quick, what's going to happen. We're going to have a bit more of a bit of consolidation, and by the end of this week or next week, we can see another rally going up. Okay. But I want you to understand that does not mean we're going to go to 10,000. Does not mean we're going to go to 20,000. So once you start seeing everybody posting on Twitter and YouTube talking about how Bitcoin's going to the moon, remember, we still have an E wave following. We still have an E wave that we have to hit before we break out again. So currently we're on the C wave, the end of the C wave, which is followed by a breakout. So if you want to get in here, you can make a nice profit play. Now remember, I'm not giving you guys any type of uh, financial advice. This is all your guys' do haves, and do whatever you want to do. Don't blame me. Okay, it's just telling you the truth. I risk management. I do a lot of risk management. I do a lot of margin trading on BitMEX. I do host private channels, but that's private. I'm not gonna. When I say private, it's just me and a few friends. That's it. What is that? Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Okay, guys, I just wanted to make a short video. You guys can expect a swing up. Make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. So, remove all drawing tools. Remember, swing low to swing high. Okay, now we're gonna see a swing up from here. Now I could talk about support and resistance levels, but I just don't really want to get into detail at the moment. I'll make more videos in the future for you guys if you guys are interested. If not, it's cool. Okay. Anyways, alright guys, hope you guys enjoy. And yeah. Comment, link, join my Telegram. I'll post it in the video. Contact me if you'd like. Any TA questions, I can do alts. Do another one real quick. Let's see, what are you guys holding? ETH USD. Okay. Let's take a look at ETH USD. Okay. Alright. Good. Now, guys, I go by peer TA. I don't really go by the news and media. Media doesn't have nothing to do with anything. It really doesn't. Absolutely nothing. The Winklevofts, the ETF, SEC, uh, Kim Kardashian, Bill Clinton, whatever's in the news does not matter. It does not matter whatsoever. I repeat, it does not matter what the media brings or news is. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So here we see a bit of ranging right here. This is called a range in market. It's going sideways. Uh, all right, guys. So, in my honest opinion, I would not enter here. What you guys would want to do would either wait for a breakdown. Let's see what a breakdown is. Okay, so would either wait for a breakdown in a short, or wait for a breakout, wait for the pullback, and go long. Or if you want to manage your risk, if you want to trade like a professional, you can. Okay. Let's see real quick. Okay. Long position. Okay. Okay. Right about there. So now we have a play here. We have a potential swing. Now looking at the chart here, we're going to use this as an entry along here, right along here. Enter long. Stop loss at a 5%. Now the reason why I feel a little bit bullish about this is we can see a developing trend support. Uh, as you can see, the RSI hasn't quite just broken just yet. But if we do get a bounce from this reaction right here, we could potentially see a nice move up, a nice swing go with a 26% swing. Okay. Now, for all you guys hodling, okay, that's cool. You guys are hodling, cool, cool. But at the same time, if you want to hodl, don't get mad because Bitcoin goes down 10%, 20%, 30%, or 40%. You can't get mad. You can't get mad. Like, who are you getting mad at? You're getting mad at yourself. It's like you're investing. Uh, it's like I don't know what you expect. It's like you're buying a house for like $300,000, and then you want, I can't even explain it. I can't even explain it. But at the moment right now, if you guys want to do a play, risk management for ETH, I would go long here in this range right here. Now, it might be a bit early to call, but this looks like a double bottom tweezer, usually followed by an impulsive breakout. Um, like I said, guys, don't take my financial advice. This is just a quick TA for Bitcoin ETH.